Hello, my name is Parisia. I live in North Vancouver. Last year, we wanted to do a complete whole renovation for our house, for our newly bought house. So it was an old house, and one of the challenges we had before hiring Ario was that we didn't have any knowledge for how to get the permit from city. He helped us. He did a great job in that. He was really on time and very fast in getting the permit. It was not a big house, and we wanted to use the space very well. We really loved his designs, and in some parts, my husband and I, we wanted to change his parts of his design, and he was really kind in accepting our changes, and we were really satisfied with his job. And now you can see our kitchen, our fireplace, everywhere. I love the house.